The 2011 E-Class. Some predict the future. We prefer to build it. The Mercedes E-Class is an impressive ride, very smooth and punchy. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, CD changer, keyless entry, leather-wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel, driver airbag, driver lumbar, power steering, four-wheel ABS, front floor mats, cruise control, four-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, auto-off headlights, rear defrost, universal garage door opener, AM/FM stereo radio, power door locks, trip computer, side head airbag. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.